Muslim.
Our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he says in the Sahih Hadith, he says, none of you will enter paradise until you believe. And then he says sallallahu alayhi wasallam, and none of you will truly believe until you love for your brother what you love for yourself. And then he says sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he says, shall I tell you something that if you do it, you will love one another? The companion said, yes, O Prophet of Allah, tell us what it is. He said, give salams to one another. My brother, such a small sunnah that we overlook, but you have no idea how much we need this in this day and age. Giving salam, to smile in the face of your brother is a sunnah. It's a charity, it doesn't cost you anything. And when you smile, it causes others to smile. So my brothers and sisters, give salams to one another. And don't just give salams to people that you know. Rather, you should get out of your way to give salams to people that you don't know. You know, a lot of our problems can be solved. Many of our, community issues can be solved by a simple salam, by simple smiling in the face of your brother. So once again, the Prophet of Allah, he says, none of you will truly believe until you love for your brother what you love for yourself. Like how you want good for you and you want to be the best and you want to be the most successful, then we should also love this for one another. And don't forget to smile, for verily it is a sunnah. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to unite the hearts, and we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to spread the love. So my brothers and sisters, do not forget, smile, love one another, and give salam.